Hi, my name is Advay.
And my name is Aditya.
Today we are going to do another science experiment.
The candle experiment. The candle experiment is a very simple experiment.
So the things you need is a small glass or beaker, a clumsy candle, and a plate and some matches.
And as you would have figured out, we need to light something. So just call an adult for that part.
Okay, now let's start. Let's start doing it. So first we need to stick this. Let's just keep it like this.
So what he means is we just take the candle to the bottom, because as you can see, our candle here is
Balanced.
yep. So it just can't balance itself. Stupid candle. So anyway,
So now
something.
we need to light this candle. Now you want the adult to do that. So basically I'm gonna call an adult. Adult, please.
Okay, we are going to pause this video until an adult comes, and by the time we are done, you will be seeing this candle all taped up and the fire lit.
Okay.
Now,
Bye. So now we have got adult light lit up. Now we have got the fire lit up, and now Mr. Aditya will put the speaker on top of the candle. What you will see?
glass on top of the candle, and as you would have seen,
We sticked it we lighted a fire on the bottom.
we just stuck it with, we
Yeah,
just made
with
it stick
wax.
with wax. Now, anyway, I'm going to do next is just keep this and keep going down. Just basically cover this whole candle with the glass. Now,
Do it carefully, it shouldn't fall.
see, the
Now you
candle
can
went
see.
down.
Now why did that happen?
So, I'll explain the science behind it. Okay. So, fire needs oxygen to burn. When we put a glass over the candle, we
also know. So
limit both the air around the candle and also the oxygen around the candle.
So that means now the fire needed oxygen to breathe. Now the glass,
Burn.
now the glass covered the candle, and oxygen wasn't coming out, but there was still oxygen there.
So, I'll tell you why. Because when we put the glass, as I said already, we didn't stop, but we limited the amount of oxygen and air. So when it used all the air inside the glass, it just started to go down, because it can't burn anymore if there's no oxygen.
So this was a pretty cool experiment, but it was a bit dangerous as well.
It was pretty simple though.
Yeah. Now you're gonna see smoke is coming out.
But make sure there's an adult around you when you do this.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna just wash this plate so that it works. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video with your friends and family.
No. Just repeat that properly.
And please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on the red button where the subscribe button on. Until the next video, bye.